Sanibonani Dumelani Option. Hi, welcome to Timithi Itiel. She's a bell ngafuni ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa lifuna ukuthi uhlale phansi ukuze uzolithokozela. Let's get into the video. Abantu bahlezi besitshela ukuthi ngendlela ungene ngakhona emshadweni noma in a relationship that's the same way ozohamba ngakhona. I'm not saying ukuthi uThamiya ungene ngaleyo ndlela, but it is alleged ukuthi ungene kanjalo. That's not coming from me, like we've heard it from a lot of people on social media. So if that's the case, welcome to the real world, Thamiya. So Thamiya allegedly ended her marriage with Andile Mpisane. She is no longer Thamiya Mpisane, but she's Thamiya Law because she changed her social media handles or names. She went back, she reverted back to her maiden surname, isenim Leyagibo, which is Law. No longer Mpisane, which shows ukuthi yabona it's over, phelile dudu, probably asazi. But why would someone decide to change their surname kanjalo nje? I mean, why would you do that? But we also saw Makumalo do that, but she's still in the marriage. Maybe she's just doing it because she feels like, you know what, I just need to use my surname. This does not mean what it's official. It's just people alleging based on the fact that she went back to her maiden surname. And you must also remember what they married in 2021 December. That is secret traditional wedding ceremony. But Bashalile, for the mere fact that a lot of people were expecting them to break up like sooner than they have enjoyed their marriage. We're thinking, good, just give, people are like, just give them 2 years. Sabona nje abantwana abantu bayiqhuba from 2021 kwama-COVID bayithi bathi bambo lwami ngiyohlala nawe qondana umaqondana till today. And unfortunately, if they come to an end, all good things come to an end. So obviously, if it was not meant to, it was not meant to. So it is being alleged ukuthi uThamiya was being physically WWE. Bathi bebampenel pizza allegedly by Andile Mpisane. Do I believe that? I don't know, child. I don't know them. But also, we must also remember even Usithelo Shozi made the same accusation. And not only Usithelo Shozi, also, I'm not sure if it was Inumrulung. It's Inumrulung. I don't know this I don't know this Insta baddies, but you'll correct me if that's not the one. But I think it was Inomrulung that made the same accusation. Yay, Sahlangana no Andile Mpisane at the club, and I think she didn't once. He met the table, the vibes, and then I don't know the right full story, but and then Andile Mpisane allegedly Penelope said, hey. So yeah. So you can't have people saying that about you. And if that's not true, I think he needs to make a statement. You got this all wrong, because it's gonna give a lot of people that thing. Okay, he's going to have that perspective. He's going to have that assumption. He's this type of person, whereas he might not be that type of person. You get. And we must also remember, that time when Andile and Thamiya, they were married, it was alleged Andile was still dating baby mama Sithole Shozi, who happens to be the baby mama. So imagine, I don't know what happened, I don't know the full details, but imagine uzwana nomuntu, then the next thing abantu bathi, hey, umuntu akushadile. That must have been said if that was the situation. But anyway, umuntu yenza into ayithandayo, inhliziyo ayiphakelwa, inhliziyo ithanda la ithanda khona. No matter what you do, when he has chosen, he has chosen. Ukuthi nabantwana umenzelani, when a man wants to leave you, he will leave you, uyenze konke. And they are also alleging ukuthi he brought different women to their marital home. Imagine your bed, your house, which is supposed to be your safe place, which is supposed to be your own space that must be respected, and then umuntu uletha abafazi. Why angabayisi kuma-B&B? Why angamisi kuma-guest house, hotels? Why bring them to a marital home if that's true? Lack of respect that he had for that woman. Umfazi omuhle kangaka uThamiya bafethu. Yuh. But anyway, if they are no longer together, it's so sad to see people that should have been the couple goals, unfortunately, separate. But